This is the S&P 500 one-day chart or one-day reading for July 19th, 2022. It's currently June 21st, 2022, 8:51 p.m. The overall theme and behavior for the day is an opportunity to open up a long position within the midst of a decline. That's the Princess of Cups. There's an important, on a multi-day chart, this will be an important point as far as like a crest or high that stands out from a few. When we look at the overview, we have the science card, so an important price level here. Behavior around the high, a notable reversal. It'll stand out if we looked at a few daily charts within the same time frame. It would stand out as a notable reversal. And then off of the low, we're going to have a notable move to the upside. It's generally, the Sun card speaks of the beginning of a new rally. It looks like the trade opportunity is going to involve the revisiting of a crest that was recently a past opportunity, and this revisiting will take place within the midst of some erratic behavior back and forth between the same price level. Looks like we break a resistance level, at least momentarily, around let's say 1045. All right, let's get into it. So we have bullish price swings in the pre-market. Right around the open, or moving into the open, we have sideways fluctuations with a bearish trend that precedes a notable rally or move to the upside. Looks like there's some erratic behavior there around the open. We have a correlator here, there's a decline with an opportunity to open up a long position there. That's the correlator. However, it looks like there's some erratic behavior there as well. We have a low correlator in the first half hour, so out of a prominent day's trough, we move higher, breaking out. And we meet the upper end of a range, roughly between, let's say, 10 and 11 o'clock. Poke, at least like attempt, it looks like maybe we might break through resistance around like the 1045 mark. And then there looks like there's more correlation of a decline with an opportunity to open up a long position in the midst of that decline. And we have a trade opportunity there between roughly between 11 and 12-ish, in the midst of a notable move to the downside. It correlates to the Princess of Cups as well, so that's likely where I'll step in if I open up a long position. We have a move to the upside, like almost. It's an auspicious card to see there, but it looks like we have a notable rally higher, and possibly a cash-in opportunity there. Interesting. Possibly. I don't think I'd cash in there, but it's a possibility. Maybe the first opportunity. We have some sideways fluctuation where we're moving along a support level between roughly 12 and 1. Another high correlator and a decline correlator with an opportunity to open up a long position in the midst of a decline there between roughly 2 and 3. So we have a high correlation, so there should be a prominent day's high around that time, 2 to 3-ish. And then we retrace it. So we'll move higher, and it'll be a prominent move, and then we'll have almost an equal move, like a full retracement back down, creating a peak or a crest there between the 2-3 o'clock hour. Out of that decline lower, looks like around the turning point of that decline will be around, let's say, 315, 310, 315, and out of that we're going to move higher, possibly pushing the upper end of a range with a trade opportunity in there as well. So I'd likely buy my open up long position in the midst of a sharp decline here early, just before noon. Sell the long position if I'm doing a day trade. Sell the long position at the end of the day. There's news that comes out around 10:15. Right around the close, we have a move higher through resistance, followed by, we stay there briefly, and then we break down through the same price level, kind of creating kind of like a capital A in the English language. And out of that decline rate, that when we break back down through that price level, that decline will end with a fast sudden move to the upside in the post market. The sneak preview card for the following day, for the 20th of July, will be we'll see some highlighted profit taking from near overbought territory in the RSI. near overbought could be like 70, 70, something like that. We'll see. It's relative when you look at the rest of the RSI within the same, relative time frame. All right, guys, that's July 19th, 2022. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. If you haven't done so already, please hit the follow button, hit the subscribe button. We're looking to grow. We're looking to spread the word. We have cracked the code on how to predict the stock market utilizing meta pattern recognition. That's right, my friends, tarot cards to predict with an accuracy that is only dreamt of by your average or your excellent financial analyst. We kick their ass, my friends. So check it out. It's all free. Most importantly, when you make money from this reading, pay it forward, my friends.